So do you need a few creative and healthy gift ideas for the holiday season? A few clients have been asking me for some suggestions, so I thought I'd take a quick minute and share some of those with you in case they may be helpful. So number one for me is a cookbook. A good, healthy cookbook, something maybe you've used that's had an impact on your life this past year. Share that with family and friends. And we've come out with a new cookbook, a special cookbook that's compliant with the Metabolic Body Reset. And it's a great gift for a friend or relative who wants to get healthier, lose weight, and have more energy, but still eat those holiday treats. You can find that at metabolicbodyreset.com/cookbook. I'll put the link in the comments. But to make it a little more meaningful, put a little note on there for them why you got it for them. Number two, home fitness gear. New fitness gadgets and toys can make a huge difference in a workout and can make the workout even more fun. Plus, it makes it a little easier to sneak in a workout if you can't make it to the studio. So depending on your budget, the sky can truly be the limit in some of these categories for fitness products. So some top choices are adjustable kettlebells and dumbbells, a good quality jump rope, the rebounders, personalized yoga mat, some stretch bands. Plus, you never can go wrong with a nice soft sweatshirt to put on after a workout. Number three, healthy food and drinks. My favorite here is for coffee lovers and tea lovers. My favorite is something called Organo Gold. This is a wonderful coffee or tea that it has a ton of health benefits because it's mushroom infused. And you can find that or recommendations for that at metabolicbodyreset.myorganogold.com. Number four, recovery tools. Help the person that you're gifting to soothe those muscles after they've had a good workout. A gift certificate to a massage, or maybe a massage gun. You can find them all over now. I was just in Costco and they had them on sale. Another great idea is a good quality foam roller. That works out great. Number five is quality coaching. That is the ultimate health and wellness gift for somebody. Do you have a friend or relative who's been struggling to lose weight, to have more energy? They're always sluggish, they're not feeling good? Then maybe the Metabolic Body Reset is a perfect gift for them. Or this can be the perfect gift idea for yourself too. All you have to do is hit reply, drop me a direct message, call or email, and we'll take care of that as soon as possible. Because at the Metabolic Body Reset, we're all about helping you feel great, move better, and crush your goals all year long. So go to our website, metabolicbodyreset.com, take a look at our course, schedule a call with me to talk if you have more questions. Have a great day, and we'll talk again soon.